Okay, so excuse my drawing, but this is my idea for my folding workbench. I'm going to hinge this piece of worktop, which will stand up, which underneath is hiding on a second hinge this very badly drawn chop saw, which will then lift up. So that would be where my chop saw would be situated, in this position, and I'm hoping to get it to fold down. That's the plan. Let's see how it goes. I just added these just to temporarily hold it. I'm about to do my first test fit here, so let's see how it goes. So it's folding down okay, but I've overlooked a massive point here. That needs to go back. It's hitting the wall. Oh no. Okay, so I've widened this. I widened this now. I'm going to do my second test fit here. It is going back to the wall. We have to give it both ways. Success. Done it. So what I'm trying to do is, when the saw folds down, I want to have a top that will fold down to complete the table. I've been messing around with different hinges. The standard door hinge wasn't working, so I'm gonna go with these kitchen hinges. See how it works. Pretty good. Happy with that. Okay, so this is my workbench setup. I have a full tabletop here to work from. Now, I want my chop saw. All I gotta do, lift this up, then I grab the chop saw, lift it straight up, and I have two locks here. Lock it off, lock that side off, and then I just open up the saw, and I'm away. Straight away, I'm cutting. Now, as you see, I've dropped this down to be the same level as the countertop, so my work just runs straight through out the other side. As you can see, I'm finished with my saw now. I just have to put it away. And it's done.